Children, now see the third example. If a hostel has 132 students with 3 students in one room, in how many rooms are the students staying? What is given in this example? In this example, a hostel has 132 students. How many students? 132 students. And 3 students in one room. And 3 students are living in one room. So, what we have to find out? How many rooms are the students staying? In how many rooms are the students staying? So, arrange the numbers 132 divided by 3. So, first of all, see the 3's table. 1 is smaller than 3. Then we will write 3 zeros are 0. Now 1 minus 0, 1. Bring this tens place 3 down and write it here. Now see, in 3's table 13. No, we will not get the number 13. So what we have to do? We have to find the number nearer number. So 3 5s are 15 and 3 4s are 12. 15 is bigger and 12 is smaller. So we will take 3 4s are 12. Now 3 minus 2, 1 and 1 minus 1, 0. Now bring this 2 down and write it here. So it is very simple. 3 4s are 12. Now 2 minus 2, 0 and 1 minus 1, 0. So students are staying in 44 rooms. This is our quotient and our remaining is 0. See the last 4 number word problem. How many bouquet can be made from 340 flowers with 8 flowers in each bouquet? How many flowers will be left over? Here, bouquets can be made from 340 flowers. 340 flowers are used to make bouquets with 8 flowers in each bouquet, and in each bouquet 8 flowers are there. So what we have to find out? How many flowers will be left over? So children, write 340 divided by 8. Now children, see the 8's table. First of all, I will divide this 100 place 3. But 3 is smaller than 8. So we will write 8 zeros are 0. Now 3 minus 0, 3. Bring this tens place 4 down and write it down. Now see, 8 fours are 32 and 8 threes are 24. 8 fives are 40. So 40 is bigger number and 32 is smaller. So which number will you take? You will take 32. Means 8 fours are 32. Now 4 minus 2, 2 and 3 minus 3, 0. And yes, remember, don't forget to put the minus sign. Now bring this 0 down and write it here. Again see, 8 twos are 16 and 8 threes are 24. But 24 is bigger number and 16 is smaller number. So we will take 16. 8 twos are 16. Now 0 minus 6 is possible? No. So what you have to do? You have to carry the tens. अब यहाँ से अगर 1 माइनस होके इधर आ रहा है तो we have to write 1 here and here. 10 plus 0, 10. Now subtract 10 minus 6, 4, and 1 minus 1, 0. What is our remainder? 4 is our remainder and 42 is our quotient. And what is our answer? 42 bouquet can be made and 4 flowers will be left over. Children, here we finish our lesson number 14, division. I hope you understood it very well. Practice division and learn the tables by heart. Thank you.